Assalamualaikum to Puan Lidiano binti Abdul Mutaha, our lecturer for Power Electronic DJM 40103. Without further ado, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Siti Noaim binti Abdul Razak, 13 DEM 19F2003, and my group member Muhammad Ali Fahan bin Abdul Rahman, 13 DEM 19F2007, and Noor Amisha binti Cik Rahim, 13 DEM 19F2003. Our topic for today is presentation for EO end of chapter 2, EOC2.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Noor Amisha binti Cik Rahim. Next, I would like to present about self-excited series. This is circuit diagram for the excited series. VT is the voltage applied across the motor terminal. IL is the total line current. ISE is the series current. RSE is the series resistance. VE is a series voltage. IA ammeter current. VA is the ammeter voltage. RA is the ammeter resistance. EB is the back EMF. For the formula of the self-excited series is the I sama dengan ISE sama dengan IA. Seterusnya, negatif VT tambah dengan IA darab dengan RSE tambah dengan IA darab RA tambah EB sama dengan kosong. VT sama dengan EB, RA tambah RSE dan kena darab dengan IA. Next is advantage and disadvantage. For the advantage is the best used for driving heavy load DC. Next is operate a low speed. Next, high starting torque. Next is contraction is simple and less maintenance. The advantage for the self-excited is never allowed to run in unloaded condition, and speed regulation is poor.
Next, I will present for self-excited shunt. This is the circuit for self-excited shunt. VT is a voltage applied across the motor terminal, and IL total line current, IL, and ISH is shunt current, and the next one is RSH shunt resistance, and VSH shunt voltage, IA armature current, VA armature voltage, and RA is the armature resistance, and the last one is EB, back EMF. This is the equation for self-excited shunt. IL equal to ISH plus IA. IL is for total line current and equal to ISH shunt current plus IA, armature current. And the next equation is VT equal to VSH divided by ISH. VT is voltage applied current the motor terminal. Voltage applied across the motor terminal equal to VSH shunt voltage divided by ISH shunt current. And the last equation is VT equal to EB plus IARA. VT is a voltage applied across the motor terminal equal to EB back EMF plus IA armature current and armature resistance. For the next one is advantage for shunt. Excellent speed regulation, and the next one is constant speed motor used in lathe machine, mill machine and conveyor. Disadvantage for shunt is not suitable for large starting torque. And the next one is motor get damaged due to large centrifugal force if field winding get disconnect during normal operation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ali Farhan bin Abdul Rahman. My matric number is 13DEM19F2007. I will present about self-accepted compound. This is combination of series and shunt motor. Two types, short compound and long compound. Series motor has greater torque while the shunt motor has constant and controllable speed over various loads. The compound motor responds better to heavy load change than a shunt motor. Short compound. Short compound DC generator is in which only shunt field winding is in parallel with the armature winding. This is equation for short compound. Line current equal shunt current plus shunt armature. 2. VT equal line current multiply series resistance plus back EMF plus armature current multiply armature resistance. 3. VT equal line current multiply series resistance plus shunt current multiply shunt resistance. This is long compound. Long compound DC generator is in which shunt field winding in parallel with both series field and armature winding. This equation for long compound. 1. Line current equal shunt current plus series current. 2. VT equal shunt voltage equal series voltage plus back EMF plus armature current multiply armature resistance. 3. Shunt voltage equal shunt current multiply shunt resistance. 4. VT equal series current multiply series resistance plus back EMF plus armature current multiply armature resistance. This is advantage and disadvantage for compound. Advantage: high starting torque with a safe no load. The speed motor are constant, very quickly to respond when the load is changed.